colors for only those top two windows for me. And here we are, it's loaded. And as you can see, this was my option two, where I wanted the pink window on the top right hand side and a black window on the left hand side. This one was the PVC Residence 9, and this one was the LUK aluminium frame. And it's frighteningly accurate. These are the actual windows based upon the frames that I've actually added in. And I'm very happy with that. By the way, if I wasn't happy with it, I could click on thumbs down and it will allow me to generate it again. But I'm very happy with that. It looks right, and I'm now going to add it to my portfolio. And here we are, Kingston Mews on the left-hand side of my vault. You're now able to see the actual proposal itself. So here it is. This was my option of the white options, both the PVC white, and they've got the the option one over here. Now you will see this little banner come across. The reason for this is because we want to ensure that your customers don't just use you for your images and then run off and go to another window installer or a builder. So we do have this here. We do remove this the moment you create the brochure and you send it to your customers, and I'll show you